Hi friends, in this video we would be studying everything about the index and match function of Microsoft Excel. First let us try to study the match function. The match function helps you find the row number basis a particular criteria which you give. In our example, we would like to find the row number for the state of Arkansas. So if we highlight the data starting from row number 4, that is Alabama, and then if we use the match function, it should return us that Arkansas is in the row number 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us first use the match function and let us get the row number. So I will type equal to match, then I will give open bracket. Now it is asking me where is the lookup value. So my lookup value is over here. So I click over there and then I give a comma. Now it is asking me where do you want to search for that lookup value, the lookup array. So I highlight this entire state column. Then I give a comma and then it is asking you whether you want a less than, exact match or greater than. So I want an exact match. So I type 0 and then I close bracket and hit enter. So you can see that it has returned to us that the row number is 4 for Arkansas. If I type Alaska, you can see it returns the row number as 2. And if I type Alabama, it returns the row number as 1. So now let us see how this works in conjunction with the index function. So I'll type equal to index and I'll give open bracket. Now it is first asking me to specify the array. So in this case, I will select the array as the status column. Then I'll give a comma. Now it is asking me the row number. So here I will use the match function. So I will type match, open bracket, lookup value Alabama, comma, lookup array is this, comma, exact match 0. I'll close bracket and again close bracket for index and hit enter. So it tells me that the status for Alabama is active. Let us type Alaska and it is inactive. Let us type Arkansas and it is active. So this is how you can use the index and the match function in conjunction to find a particular value. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.